Welcome to this breathtaking $39 million oceanfront mega mansion in Vero Beach, Florida. It's a true architectural masterpiece, featuring 8 spacious bedrooms, 12 lavish bathrooms, and world-class amenities designed for the ultimate coastal lifestyle. Located in one of Florida's most exclusive neighborhoods, this modern waterfront mansion boasts panoramic ocean views, an infinity-edge pool, a private movie theater, a state-of-the-art gym, a temperature-controlled wine cellar, and exquisite designer interiors. Every inch of this multi-million-dollar estate showcases meticulous craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology, making it a true dream home. Step inside and explore the grandeur of this one-of-a-kind Florida luxury property. With soaring ceilings, expansive glass walls, and seamless indoor-outdoor living, this home redefines coastal elegance and sophistication. Whether you're a real estate investor, a luxury home enthusiast, or simply love stunning architecture, this tour is one you won't want to miss. Luxury features include 8 bedrooms, private oceanfront location in Vero Beach, a resort-style infinity pool with ocean views, home theater, pool theater, gym and spa, gourmet chef's kitchen with top-tier appliances, expansive outdoor entertaining areas, smart home technology and security system. Property location: Vero Beach, Florida. Subscribe Trusted Homes USA for more luxury home tours. Like, comment, and share if you love this mansion.